Hello, I'm in a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to adjust the language display between English, Spanish, or French. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and that your display's on. And then from here we'll go to enter, and then we'll scroll down all the way until we get to language select, and then here we can go to French, Spanish, or English. So if we want Spanish, we'll push enter again, and then everything just auto-updated to Spanish. So I'll redo all this again from the beginning to switch it back to English, since I speak English. So I'll do enter, and then we'll scroll down right there. So the select idioma, push enter, and then back to English, enter, and that's it. And just auto save, so there's nothing else you need to change. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.